Hello trader, this is Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. Today January 13 Friday market. Daily basis automatic you will receive signal in this chart. It's an automatic buy sell signal generator. Today after 11:35 we have received a buy signal. So green color candle open. Buy at 4262, that is our entry point line. That straight white color line from green color candle, that is our entry point line. Future trader can take entry now. Option trader can take the option whichever premium you can afford. For example, you can take at the money of 4200 option also, 4200 call option. The above line or target line, the first target is more than a 100-point target, second target is 200-point target. So to be accurate, 42,267, 105 point, that is our first target range. For option trader, if you take at the money option, if future moves 100-point means in at the money option you can expect in slow market 40 point. In speed market you can expect up to 50 point of target also. Below red color line is the stop loss line to maintain your loss. Like this every day in live market you will receive signal. Whenever market trend changes you will receive signal like this in live market. Today a buy signal generated at 11:30. Let's wait and see how it works. After 40 minutes of trading, it finally break out the first target. If you want this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. And bullish momentum continue to break out the second target also. Every day, just watch the chart, get the call. For subscription detail, just send a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.